Chateliers Principle in the kinetics unit. When a system is at equilibrium, it is subject to a stress. A stress is any change. We can change the pressure, we can change how much there is, we can take something away. Any change to that reaction, then the system will shift its equilibrium to relieve that stress. Stresses can include temperature, pressure, and concentration. I think you have an extra blank, just cross it out. The shift is away from the stress. So we're going to take a look at this reaction. 2 carbon dioxide gas plus oxygen gas yields 2 carbon dioxide. Now, plus 556 kilojoules. And what we really should have is a reversible reaction, so I'm going to make that reversible. Goes both directions. Now, as we look through this, we're going to be looking over that midline. This is where our shift happens. It's over that. It's reactants versus products. Let me bring this back into focus for you. I don't know why it came out of focus. So when we add carbon monoxide, meaning we're going to be adding extra here, we're going to shift away. The stress is what we added. So we shift away from it. So therefore, we're going to go right in this case. Now if we remove it, that means we have less over here. And we remove, so we have less CO, which means we have extra CO2, which is going to be our stress. Therefore, we will shift left. If we add temperature, remember temperature, we look for energy. Looking for that energy. And the energy is right here. So if we add temperature, that's like adding more energy. We shift away from the energy. In this case is away from the kilojoules. Therefore, it will shift left. We remove the temperature. We go to the energy. Therefore, right. Shift. Now notice, if we add something, we shift away. If we remove something, we go towards it. Always. They can't have the same. Now our last one is pressure. We're going to look for gas. Pressure only affects gas. Now with that, if we increase the pressure, we go to or toward fewer moles of gas. Okay, so how do we do that? Let's count. We've got 2, and there's a 1 here that we don't write. So how many moles of gas? We've got 3. 2 plus 1. And then over on this side, we've got 2 moles of gas here and none here, so 2 moles. So count moles of gas. So towards the fewer moles in this case, we're going to go right. If we decrease the pressure, it's toward greater moles of gas. If we've got something else, it's not going to happen.